In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the trendline, equation, and R2 in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a basic scatter plot into a quick, informative analysis with a best fit line, its formula, and a measure of fit. Start by opening Excel and making sure your data is ready. A scatter plot works best when you have paired values, like an X column and a Y column with numbers. Select your dataset so Excel knows what to plot. Then head to the Insert tab, look for the Charts group, and choose a scatter plot. If you see multiple scatter options, the simple one with only markers is perfect for this task. Excel will place a scatter plot on your sheet with your points plotted. Now that the chart is in place, let's add a trend line. There are 3 quick ways to do this, and you can use whichever feels most natural. The first way is to use the chart tools at the top. Choose Add Chart Element, go to Trendline, and pick Linear. A linear trend line is the straight best fit line most people need for a first pass. The second way is directly on the chart. Click any of the data points to select the series, right-click, and choose Add Trendline. The third way is even faster. Click the small plus icon that appears next to the chart when it's selected, and check the trendline option. In all 3 cases, Excel will add the same linear trend line across your scatter plot. To show the equation of that line, select the trend line on the chart, right-click, and choose Format Trendline. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, check the box that says Display Equation on Chart. Excel immediately places the equation, typically in the form y equals mx plus b, right on the chart. While you're in the same panel, also check the box that says Display R squared value on chart. R squared, or R2, is a number between 0 and 1 that tells you how well the line fits your data. The closer it is to 1, the better the linear model explains the variation in your points. This is especially helpful when you're comparing different datasets or simply want a quick, objective measure of fit. And that's it. You've added a trend line, displayed its equation, and revealed the R2 value, all within your scatter plot. This simple workflow turns raw numbers into a clear visual and analytical summary you can share or use for quick decision making.